So just to update everyone, this is probably just about my worst idea of cycling. I've got a load of climbing to do, which I hate. I've got 120 miles to do, which is quite a lot. It's pouring with rain. It's going to be pouring all day. There's going to be thunder, there's going to be lightning, and by the looks of it, probably a head or a crosswind, so it really couldn't get much worse. There are flash flood warnings which have been told to look out for, so the road could literally disappear. And of course we're riding around on carbon bikes, so depending on how close the lightning gets, we may have to get off pretty quick. I've even very kindly given these ponchos, which are great for keeping our chests warm. It's kind of like wearing a parachute on your back, so not wholly aerodynamic, as you can see demonstrated by Sam. So, going to be a pretty shit day by all accounts, but after today there's only 4 days cycling left, so we're almost there.